Hi and welcome back. Let's learn how to easily disable the playback in YouTube feeds on your iPhone and iPad. Auto-playing videos in your feed can be rather distracting, especially when you are just trying to browse. If you use YouTube on your iOS or iPadOS device, you might notice videos playing automatically as you scroll through the home or subscriptions feed. Thankfully, you can easily disable this feature to save data, reduce distractions, and even have more control over your viewing experience. That's it. Let's get started. So first you have to launch the YouTube app on your device. And then you have to hit your profile tab located at the bottom of the screen. Then you have to choose the settings icon located at the top right. After that, you have to head over to the video and audio preferences section and choose the playback option. And then you have to tap on the playback in feeds option and choose off to completely disable it, and that's about it. Disabling playback in feeds on YouTube is a pretty simple trick that can make browsing more peaceful and focused. Once turned off, videos will only play when you tap on them, giving you more control over what you watch. So explore more settings like this to fully personalize your app and enjoy a smoother, distraction-free experience on your iPhone or iPad. And I'll catch you up in the next one.